Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, my daughter specifically requested broccoli, so I'm excited to show you how I make it delicious and easy. First things first, let's clean the broccoli. I use baking soda for this. It's great for removing dirt and pesticides. Just soak the broccoli in a mixture of water and baking soda for about 5 minutes, then rinse it well. This ensures it's nice and clean before cooking. Next, we're going to blanch the broccoli. Bring a pot of water to a boil, and once it's bubbling, add the broccoli for just 1 minute. This quick step helps preserve its bright color and keeps it tender crisp. While that's cooking, let's move on to the other ingredients. In a separate pan, I'm heating some olive oil. Once it's hot, I'll add chopped onions and saute them until they're golden and fragrant. This will add a delicious base flavor to our dish. Now that the onions are ready, I'm going to add in my other veggies. You can use whatever you have on hand. Bell peppers, carrots, or zucchini all work great. I'll also add a splash of sauce for extra flavor. Stir everything together and let it cook for a couple of minutes until the veggies are slightly tender. Now, it's time to add my grilled fish. I love the flavor it brings to this dish. Let everything fry together for a few minutes so the fish can absorb the flavors of the veggies and sauce. Once everything is well combined, I'm adding in the blanched broccoli. It's just the right texture now. I'll cover the pot and let it all cook together for about 3 minutes, allowing the broccoli to absorb all those delicious flavors. And there you have it, a vibrant, tasty broccoli dish that's ready to be served. You can enjoy it on its own or pair it with your favorite mains. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more delicious ideas. Thanks for watching and see you next time.